All right, everyone, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown. It was another awesome, amazing day in the signal room. We put out two signals today for US 30 and NAS 100. I did 32,000 on US 30. Took 5 lots. At this point, I'm basically going to start reducing my position size down. So basically kind of go back to just taking 1 lot of US 30 and then probably 2 to 3 lots of NAS 100, just to be on the same playing field and show people that, man, with even small lot sizes, you can still make a lot of profit, not only in the Forex market, but, using my signals. So awesome day. Again, I did 32,000 with 5 lots. Get out a calculator, do the math, right? If I took half that, if I took 2.5 lots, I'm basically making 16,000. If I take half of that, then, even with 1 lot, I'm still going to make several $1,000s. Even with just half a lot, even with 0.05 lots, I'll make at least 250 a day. So at this point, I'm going to basically start reducing my position size down just to show you guys that even with small size, you can make a lot of fucking money when the trade is there, when the setup is there, and you apply good risk management. So let's talk about the trades, the signals. As always, I sent them out today in the private VIP Telegram group. That is here on the left-hand side. If that is something you guys are ever interested in joining, the link for that is going to be below this YouTube video. But the most important link below this YouTube video is going to be the very first one. The very first link below this YouTube video is going to be to the same broker that I'm using day in and day out. They're going to be launching their copy trading platform if they haven't already. So by the time, depending on when you watch this video, they may have already launched it. What the copy trading is that basically your account will be linked to my account. So anytime I make a trade, it makes the same exact trade on your account. So now obviously if you have an account that is much smaller than mine, then it's obviously going to adjust, right? But at the end of the day, the purpose of the copy trading is to allow your account, your position, to get in at the exact same money entries as that I get in and day out, whether it's US 30 or NAS 100. So both signals today, again, were sent out in the private VIP Telegram group. Here is the US 30. I told everyone selling at 38810.50. If you look at the chart here, when US 30 actually opened, she did squeeze up, but then I jumped in as if she was basically pulling back. That's when I jumped in. There's a sell alert, 38810.50. It hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. The reason I like this trade is, one, it was Wednesday, right? But that's not the real reason. The real reason is that yesterday, look at the chart, look at the bigger picture time frame. Yesterday, we saw that US 30 had a big, massive sell-off. That was Tuesday, all right? So if we had a big, massive sell-off Tuesday, yesterday, what happened, right? US 30 basically curled and pushed her way back up to where exactly it was trading at yesterday before we had that drop. So what happened, right? It basically became a resistance area. It was resistance. So we wanted to see a big, massive sell-off, which is exactly what happened. So perfect trade, perfect signal, not only on US 30, NAS 100, right? So this was NAS 100. Look at US 30 here. Basically the same exact thing. US 30, right? Yesterday we had a big sell-off. Curl around, pushed back up. That what was that area that we broke yesterday basically became a resistance. So not only did we crush it with US 30, we crushed it with NAS 100. Now, obviously, I wish I would have took NAS 100 because that was a bigger, better move. Yesterday, US 30 was a good move. Yesterday, NAS 100 was a good move. They both have been making pretty good moves day in and day out. Just to be transparent with you guys, let me show you the NAS 100 signal alert. This is it right here on the left-hand side. I told everybody at 8:21 a.m. selling NAS 100 at 18075.74 with the areas of take profit. Now, it is very important for you to remember that number, 1807574, 1807574. Let's scroll down. Let's look at the chart. You'll see right here, 18075.74. That was a buy entry that basically says, hey, motherfuckers, sell right here. What happened? Market open, popped up a little bit, dropped. Hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Bob's your uncle. profit all day long, every single day. That is how we do it day in and day out. This is why I love Forex trading, because it is super, super easy. We can do this right from our cell phones day in and day out. But again, I get it. Some of you guys have busy jobs. You're not able to attend and make these trades on the market. That is why I strongly recommend click the very first link below this YouTube video. Get signed up with the same broker. You have to sign up underneath my link below this YouTube video. If you already have an Osprey account, it will not work. If you do not sign up, if you're trying to try using another broker or a fund account, you will not ever be able to do the option for the copy trading. Again, this is going to be massive. Not only the profits I'm making day in and day out, people are going to be able to make the same exact profits hands free as long as they have a large, depending on how much they have in the account. If your account is large enough to take 5 lots, right? If your account is large enough to take 5 lots, you would have guaranteed matched my exact same P&L today if you're part of the copy trading. So again, that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys in some shape, way, and form. As always, I show you the charts, I show you the Telegram, I show you my profit. It does not get any more real and consistent as this, right? Consistency is key. This is me actually being live in this fucking trade. So when she dropped down, I had the option to hit this little X button for $25,000. I let her drop a little bit more. Then I hit the X button and closed out for my $30,000 of profit. Once again, I'm going to explain this to people in the very nicest way possible. It does not fucking matter on the position fucking size. I could have took 1 lot and made profit. I could have took 0.05 lot. I could have took midget dick size and I would have guaranteed made fucking profit. I would have guaranteed made fucking profit on NAS 100. That, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, that is how good the signals are day in and day out. But I got bigger and better things coming to my group because I was recently informed of some unfortunate news yesterday with some of my stuff that I'm not going to talk too much about, but bigger and better things coming, guys. Click the video, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. Remember, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.